Drugi test v pripravljalni bazi v Turčiji na osrednjem delu priprav se je končal ponovno s porazom. Tokrat dvoboj proti madžarskemu prvoligašu Debrecenu po vodstvu 3-0 za Madžare, na koncu 2-3. Strelca za Maribor sta bila Reghba in Pejičić. Dvoboj je sicer zaznamoval debi Tija Cipota v prvem polčasu in povratek Žana Mikela Serija iz afriškega pokala narodov. V drugem polčasu pa žal tudi dve poškodbi, Omar Rekik in pa predvsem Lan Vidmar, ki je obnovil poškodbo ramena. Test proti močnemu nasprotniku, v katerem je Maribor predvsem v zaključni fazi tekme v drugem polčasu bil konkretnejši, nevarnejši, kar je rezultiralo tudi z 2 zadetkoma. Po dvoboju proti Madžarom sedaj spet nekaj dni treningov, zaključek priprav pa potem konec tedna, ko bo v zadnjem pripravljalnem obračunu nasprotnik Poljska Jagiellonija.
I think it was everything we were expecting. Of course, when you go into pre-season, we play against top teams from different leagues, different countries, so everybody deserves their respect. So when we went in the game, the coach prepared as well before, so we knew we were going in, it's going to be a challenge. And it was a challenge, and it was something that we had to deal with. Of course, we lost, but from these losses, we always need to go back to the training ground and analyze the game with the coach and learn from our mistakes to do better in the next one.
Ja, ekipa dobro trenira, težki treningi. Tekma se ni odvila tako, kot smo želeli, hoteli smo zmago. Ampak dobro, da tisti igralci, ki so prišli v igro, da niso odnehali. V takem rezultatu malo 3-0 je že težko, mentalno, težki treningi bo vse. Tako da dober odziv ekipe, pa na koncu bi se lahko tudi obrnilo na 3-3.
Neki ukupan dojam utakmice jeste da mi smo griješili, protivnik je koristio naše greške, a kad bi protivnik pogriješio, mi nažalost nismo koristili njihove greške, pa čak i u 16 metara kad su nam davali otvorne pasove. Šta je dobro da smo, za drugo poluvrijeme pokazali voljni moment, karakter da probamo da stignemo i realno po šansama možda smo i zaslužili da izjednačimo, ali šta je tu. Nažalost, evo ovdje primili smo na priprama u 2 utakmice 5 golova, 5 faktički kardinalnih grešaka od prošle utakmice gdje smo napravili individualne greške, gdje danas evo opet poklonimo loptu, poklonimo penal, prvi koji je bio kad je bila egal utakmica gdje smo mi imali prvu veliku priliku, ali eto, bolje možda da griješimo na priprema nego da griješimo u prvenstvu.
I think it was a good counter-attack if I'm not wrong. We got the ball back and everybody attacked forward. Boris got control of the ball, played it well. I made the run and dribbled and somehow you go into flow state. So before I know, I found myself taking a shot and scored. But yeah, it was a good bit of counter-attack from the team.
Tam na 16 je ona moja pozicija, ko back čedo, ko gre, tam se najbolj počutim, ko neka povratna žoga, pa da se odbije nazaj. Njemu sem se že zahvalil za top žogo in polkaj prišla sem samo, koliko sem udaril, pa Bogu je šla v gol.
100%, probably one of the best goals Antalya scored since, it was amazing. I watched it perfectly. His connection, his technique with the finish was top. It's not easy to control the ball like that and put it right in the top corner. So me myself on the pitch, I just found myself saying wow. So it was a great finish. And the whole game, I don't know, I think I'll play it safe and say Ojo, he always seems to, he's somebody who runs a lot. So maybe Ojo.
Ojo ali pa Vidmar, ona dva sta največ igrala. Najbolj mi si rekel Vidmar, drugi. Ne vem, kdo je blizu.
Yeah, well, as expected, Ojo does a lot of running, so yeah, he's always up and down, especially when he plays on the left side. He's up, down, non-stop, so it doesn't surprise me.
To je normalno, tako on je wingback, stalno se vključuje naprej, nazaj, tako da tako on. Pa ja, sem hotel reči tudi Ođota, ampak kaj Ali že rekel, sem rekel Vidmar.
In the top speed, oh, interesting. Okay, maybe put two names, maybe Ojo or Mark. Mark also is good speeds, especially wing-back positions. They have the most chance to hit the top speed, so I'm going with either Ojo or Spanning, one or the other.
Isak, sam ne vem, če je dobro za šprintu danes. Ali bom jaz malo napadalce Isaka, bom rekel.
Ojo, ja.
Prvo se moram zahvaliti trenerju in njegovem štabu za zaupanje in ponudeno priložnost. Pol pa je samo moje trdo delo. Ko sem trdo delal, sem pol tudi dobro igral. To moram nadaljevati. Dobro priti v ritem za naslednjo polovico sezone. In da ekipno, najbolj pomembno je ekipa, ja, ekipno, da se damo skupaj pa da gremo po to prvo mesto.
Yeah, I think David's a top player and he shows it on the pitch. Like I said, a great example is his goal today. Not many people can connect the ball and put it in the top corner the way he did. So, and in general, he's a very hard worker, a young player with a lot of potential, and hopefully we all get to see him live out his potential. Yeah. Yeah, I've lived in a lot of different countries so far, and I've really been enjoying my time in Maribor. It's a great city, and everybody's been so welcoming since I've been here. So yeah, I've had a lot of guests over as well since I've been here, and they've all enjoyed themselves. So I think there's more I can do to discover Maribor, but what I've discovered so far is really good.